Hello. Our game currently has it so if we hit the side, um, the game quits. But it doesn't work on the right-hand side. It's just the upper left. So if I go here, it's going to crash, but not the other way. So what we have to do is we have to build a little bit into this. So first off, if you picture our, that's not a rectangle. Here we go. Here's a rectangle. If you picture our image being a rectangle, the point that it is paying attention to is this point. That is, in our example here, ship X, ship Y. I'll move it to the right location, and that's up there. Now we could note all of the points around here, but actually there's only 4 points that really matter. It's this point, this point, this point, and this point. If one of those 4 points hits the yellow, then we know it's uh, the game's over. If it hits in between here, there's no way it will hit in between here without hitting either here or here. Now, if we want to describe this point here, what we'll have to do is the y is going to be the same, but the x is going to be ship x, and we're going to add the width of this object. So what we could do is just say that's ship, and I think here we call it our ship, don't we? Um, yep, we're dealing with our ship, so our ship dot get width. So our ship uh, dot get width. So we're going to have to add that to get over here. Now, if I wanted to get this point here, I'm just going to copy and paste. We're going to paste this. Notice how the x is going to be the same, but now we're going to take ship y and we're going to add ship dot get height. And that is going to take care of this lower left-hand corner. Now, to get this lower right-hand corner, we're going to need uh, this ship x plus ship dot get width, and then this one here to get this point. So what that looks like with code is we come here. So we have this first one that's going to be good. And we could say ORs and make sure it hits all of those, or we could just say if surface dot get at, now we have ship x, let's do our upper right hand plus ship dot get width. Um, Here we are, oops, plus ship our ship dot get width. So that covers the x, and then we'll do the y. Ship y. If that is equal to this whole thing, we're going to quit out. Now, just to save us time, let's uh, let's copy both of these actually, and let's do those for, we're going to do them for the right-hand side. Uh, and the right-hand side bottom and the right-hand side, and the left-hand side bottom. So here, what we do is we'd have to add our ship dot get height, and here we have that, and we have to do the Same thing. Uh, ship y plus r ship dot get height. Now we just have to cross our fingers and hope I didn't make any typos. It's looking good so far, and it looks like it canceled out. Now, it's always good to try things a couple of different places. So let's bring this down, and let's just hit the upper right-hand corner. Looks like upper right hand is good. Now let's test the lower left hand. Well, I think you'll get the point. Um, let's let's just do lower right hand, and then so there we go. So you can see at least three of them work. I'm assuming that the other one will. And now it hits on all sides.